So I'm waiting on this scammer to call. I'm I'm pissed. I'm beyond pissed. So one of my newest agents, they before when they signed up, they and I spoke with them. They told me that somebody was trying to impersonate us, instead of calling our phone number, the regular phone number, instead of 3592 is 35. He texted 3593 by mistake. And so this person, so I was curious. I was like, what? So I went in and I started texting the person. And sure enough, somebody's really real deal out here trying to impersonate us. But the good thing is it's a Google number and I'm gonna get it, my goal is to get it shut down. But I just really want to see how far this person is gonna go. They've given me their Cash App name. Their Cash App is the $1 KSID 334. And so it looks like a kid or something like that. They're supposed to be calling me in a few minutes. They told the person, well, they told me it's $300 to get started. And I asked them for the link and they actually sent me my link, my Travelpreneur Dreams link for the gold membership. TravelpreneurDreams.com register gold. Yep, for the gold membership. And then, I just asked them all kind of questions. What's your name? They said their name is Tyra. I'm like, well, what's your last name? They said Banks. I was like, oh my, you gotta be freaking kidding me. Are you serious? It's like, oh, I can't find you, on the company profile. They're like, oh, they have it set up where they kind of hide me, yada, yada, yada. Like, okay. Said that they're located in Orlando, that they accept Cash App or Bitcoin. I'm just like, what kind of janky business is this? But I'm pissed, y'all. Like I'm beyond pissed. Like I'm supposed to be in an appointment right now, but I'm gonna get to my other appointment, but I'm just really waiting for this phone call. I'm gonna play it, and then I'm gonna tell them who I am. Like this is some whole Jerry Springer type stuff. Like, who does this? Who? Wow. Yeah. So I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. Like I don't even know what to say. But thank you so much. If the agent never would have told me, I would have never known. People make mistakes all the time and put in, the wrong number. But Google's gonna get them shut down. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get Google to shut them down. So I am waiting on this phone call. I'm just like, wow, who? I can't believe people. I mean, I know people do this. This is what scammers do, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna call them. I'm waiting on their phone call.
Hello, please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Tamika.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available.
I'm gonna call back.
Hello, please state your name after the tone. Hello, please state.
I'm texting them, hey, I'm trying to sign up. Can you help me or not? So pissed.
state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Tiffany.
The Google subscriber you have.
It's okay. I'll go back and I'll start recording and go live when they call. But I'm pissed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pissed because I've worked so hard on my brand, my company, just overall. My assistants are busy. Okay, well, can you talk? But can you talk? If not, understand, I can. But yeah, they'll probably call later or something like that. But I'm pissed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really, really bothered by it. But if it wasn't for my new agent telling me, I would have never knew. Like, never knew. I'm just shocked. But nonetheless, this too shall pass. And I just want to speak with the person. I want to catch them on a recording. And this is gonna eventually get shut down, but it's like, who does that? Who does it? But they not calling, they not. Let me call one more time.
Hello, please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Tiffany. See, I just called you.
Hello,
Hello, is this who am I speaking with?
this is Tyler.
This is Tyra. What's your last name, Tyra?
Banks.
Banks. Can you tell me a little bit more about your academy?
Hello, please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Tiffany.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Hello, please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Tiffany.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey, this message is for Tyra. I believe you said your name was Tyra Banks, and you're supposed to work with mommy. Well, so you're supposed to work with Travelpreneur Dreams or something like that. You told me that the membership cost was $300 for the gold membership, and you told me that I can pay you via Cash App, and your Cash App was like the dollar sign one KISD or something like that. You're trying to impersonate a whole company. You know, I do want to let you know that we're on to you. I am the owner, and you know, you have a choice to get your Google shut down or let them shut it down, or you delete it. Either way, it's going to get shut down. But I do want to let you know that we are on to you, and that people know and the authorities are onto this too. So, and they got your Cash App, they have everything. So I don't know how what business gives out their Cash App and Bitcoin? What business, what business? And then you're sending them my payment links to sign up. Like, you're not even a real scammer. Like you couldn't even make a fake website, try to make a fake website. Like you're giving people that want to sign up for my membership, you're a real deal giving them my membership links to sign up. Like you, but I'm just letting you know that I know I'm the owner. My name is Tyra, and it's not Tyra Banks, but I know, and you might as well go ahead and shut it down. Either way, you're going to get shut down. And like I said, the authorities have your information. They have the phone call. They have everything. All of the screenshots. They have everything. So either way, good luck. That's all I can say is good luck. But yeah, we're gonna seek charges. Look into pressing charges against you, because what you're doing is wrong. You know, I'm not even sure if you have actually have stolen people's, you know, money in my company's name, you know, like, but it's okay. What goes around comes around, and karma is, you know what. So, you know, good luck with this, but you might want to change your Google number. Even if you don't, you signed up through Google. They know who the Google phone number is attached to. Like this is stupid how you're trying to do it. This is not a real scammer. Like, I don't know. But anyways, listen to the message in full. But I know I'm the owner of the person that the company that you're trying to scam. And listen, it ain't working. One of my agents told me about you, and I'm so grateful for them. So yeah, hopefully you listen to this message in full, and you know, you go about it the smart way. But yeah, all of your information, we got it already. So thank you for answering. Thank you for the text. Thank you for the Cash App. You know, sometimes you have to give people enough rope to hang themselves. So have a good day. But yeah, so I'm submitting all of this stuff to Google, and you know, I'm going to see if I can go about seeking charges, you know, against whoever this person is, because I'm not even really sure if they have actually taken anyone's money, you know. But you know, soon we'll find out. Soon we will find out. But yeah, this is some shenanigans. Like, wow. But yeah, it's okay. It's all right. But there it is. I'm still gonna have a good day. Like I said, I'm gonna, you know, if you guys have any screenshots from the 813-461-3593 number, go ahead and send them to me. You guys can send them to me via text, or you can send them to me via email. But I'm just gonna get everything together and send everything to Google. And you know, like I said, I'll probably see if I can, you know, maybe press some type of charges, you know, against whoever the person is, because all of it's trackable. So thank you guys for participating in the you know, the post on Facebook with your screenshots. Send them back to me, please and thank you. And that's all for this shenanigans. This is a mess. But you know, thankfully one of the agents told me, and thankfully, you know, no one's money that I know of has been stolen in the name of, you know, the scammer's name of, you know, my company. So let's see. Attachment. Oh, somebody else, Miss Tiffany Lewis attached. Miss Tiffany, attach that link in the in the group, please, if you can, if you're listening to this. But thank you so much. Let's see. I'll talk to y'all soon. I gotta go to my appointment.